So now I'm gonna empty the little robot form because I'm gonna clean it. So the first step is empty, and that's why you need to make sure to put a brand new bag just to put the cat litter. So you press empty, which is this one. Okay, you have to make sure to put all the cat litter out of it. Okay. Now you have to either restart or press cycle. I'm gonna restart. So this is how you put the glove into home position. And now you have to turn this off and unplug it. So now you can remove the bonnet and all that to clean the glove. So I'm gonna now lift the bonnet. You press here and on the other side at the same time. And that's how you remove it. You place this like this. And this is how it looks. Now you just lift the glove from here. And that's how it looks. Now you have to remove the filter. So I kind of flipped the glove. It was like this. I flipped it a little bit and I removed the filter. You gotta make sure to remove it to wash the glove. And now the glove is ready to be washed. Now I'm going to show you how to wash it. that's all. Now you have to dry using a paper towel, and your little robot 4 glove is ready to be used again. Hi! We already washed the glove outside because it's summer, the weather is nice, and using the pressure hose is much faster and easier. And just make sure to use a very mild soap, organic. And here we are. One thing, you have to dry the surfaces very well. And you will notice underneath this, it will be wet, but you can lift this a little bit. So if there is enough room for your hand to to clean, to dry underneath this. And now I'm gonna put the filter back on. So I'm gonna move this like this. And it's kind of hard to do it with one hand. So I'm gonna try to place this thing here. That way I'm gonna show you how to do it. And here's the filter. You have just to put the tabs here in the openings like that, and then here 2 more tabs, just press it, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Now you flip the glove, put it back in the little robot. You have to make sure it's centered. You see this is not centered. You can tell this is kind of on the side, so you just move it. This is still not centered. And that's center. And you can tell the old little robot 3 had these indentations on the sides. Now it's here. So that's one difference. So when you're sure it's centered, the glove is totally centered, you put the bonnet. Okay, now you put the bonnet back on. The first thing, you gotta make sure it fits here, and then you check the sides. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you. You see, you gotta make sure this fits here, and then here, and there, and here. Wait, I need 2 hands for this. Okay, and that's how you put it, and that needs to look like this. Now you have to plug it and turn it on and use the little cat litter of your preference, and that's all.